Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today I'm going to show you how to make a summer fruit crumble. Summer stone fruit and strawberries and berries are in abundance here in Sydney at the moment, and so I love this crumble because crumble isn't only for winter. You can have crumble in summer too, but I do make this one slightly differently in that I bake the crumble separately to the fruit. When you eat your fruit crumble, you can decide how much crumble you'd like on top of your fruit. It's up to you. Some like a lot, some like just a little bit. But I've got to say, this crumble is one of my favorites. It's got a bit of a biscuity texture to it. It's got some almonds in it and it is delicious. It's actually quite dangerous to have in your pantry because I just keep going back and just grabbing a little bit more. But this is a lovely recipe. It's perfect for summer. You can have it with cream, ice cream, creme fraiche, whichever you like. Coconut yogurt, all works well. It's very versatile. It can be scaled up for a big crowd or it can be scaled down for just a few people. Either way, it's a recipe to absolutely have in your toolkit. So I really hope you give this one a go and let's get cooking. First up, you need to line your baking tray and set it aside. Then we're going to get on to making the crumble. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees.
To the food processor, add the flour, then the sugar, then the almonds, and a little bit of salt. Pulse the mixture just so it's all combined. Then add the butter and continue pulsing the mixture until it resembles breadcrumbs or clumps. This is the perfect consistency. Pour the crumble mixture into your prepared baking tray and spread it evenly over the tray. Then pop it into your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the crumble is baking in the oven, go ahead and prepare your fruit. Remove the stalks from the strawberries and lay them in the baking tray cut side down. With any stone fruit you're using, cut it in half, remove the stone, discard it, and then lay it in the baking tray, cut side down or cut side up, it doesn't really matter. Don't forget to check on your crumble, and if it's cooking more around the edges, just move those bits into the middle and then push any bits from the middle to the outside. Crumble is ready when it's nice and golden and has a beautiful biscuity smell about it. Remove the crumble from the oven and set it aside. It will crisp up as it cools down. Now add the fruit to the oven. Turn up the heat and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Once the fruit is roasted and out of the oven, I like to brush mine with a little bit of melted jam. It just gives it a nice glossy look. Of course, this isn't necessary. So it's as easy as that, my summer fruit crumble. As I said before, crumble isn't just for winter, it is delicious in summer. So go ahead and have a spoonful of two, and if you can't stop eating that crumble, don't worry, you're in good company.
Okay, so here we go on the taste test of the summer crumble. That biscuity crumble is absolutely delicious. It's actually moreish. I can't stop eating it. And it goes perfectly with a small scoop of ice cream. The roasted fruit is a great way to use that summer fruit while it's in season and take advantage of it. And even if it's really cheap because it's at the end of its life, it's a great way to have a very economical dessert. I really hope you give this one a go, and I really hope you enjoy.